we move on. Here we're going to summarize, okay, the different types of cloud model, okay, the different types of service model that we have discussed, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. And then here we can see that for each of these service model, who are the TA, primary target audience, right? And then what the brands, okay? What I mean by brands, or the brands means that the vendor, all right? What the brand delivers, what the vendor or what the cloud service provider deliver. If we are using the IaaS, it will be the Amazon EC2, all right, which is the Elastic Compute Cloud, and also for this type of service, okay, offered by a brand named Google, it will be the compute engine. And then for this service of IaaS offered by Microsoft brand, it will be Azure VM. All right, this to let us know that actually this type of IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS actually is very common to us. Okay, just that we may not be aware of it. And then for PaaS, okay, offered by AWS, it will be the Beanstalk. Okay, and then for the PaaS service offered by Google, it will be App Engine, and also other brand that offer similar PaaS service. Beside the one we see from Bluehost, it will be Vercel, okay, Red Hat, OpenShift, and then SaaS, it will be the one that frequently mentioned, Google Workspace, the Microsoft 365, okay, and then the Salesforce CRM, the Shopify e-commerce, right, and then Shopee, Wix, and also Zoom. And there are a lot, okay, a lot of SaaS that we use daily. Okay, includes, for example, our Facebook, IG, Threads. They are all SaaS. All right, they are the software that we no matter we are a business organization or individual user, we access this SaaS daily in order to allow us to do the networking with our friends, with our customers, all right, or to communicate with other company or with others users. And then now we're going to look at the second last part. It will be the cloud service provider. And here we can see that, okay, as in year 2026, our top 10 cloud service providers would be the AWS, Azure, okay, followed by Google Cloud, then Alibaba Cloud, Salesforce, Dell, IBM, DigitalOcean, okay, and so on. Okay, and then for this module, we end up by having some quiz. Right here is an online quiz that you can scan this QR code, and then there are several questions inside that you can try to answer. Okay, so we'll move on to module 2 soon.